How to set up a Phantom wallet. So in order for us to set up a Phantom wallet, I just want you to go ahead and look for the Chrome Web Store. And then here in the Chrome Web Store, you're just going to go ahead and look for Phantom Wallet, just like so. Now you have this one right here. I want you to go ahead and click this one. So again, make sure that it is from Phantom.app. Now from here, I'm just going to add this to Chrome, just like so, just like how you would add a normal extension. So after doing so, we are redirected in here. I'm just going to go ahead and click create new wallet in order for us to set this up. I'm going to go ahead and enter my password. Once you have entered the password, I want you to go ahead and click the continue button down below. And then you have here your secret recovery phrase. I want you to go ahead and save this one. So once you have saved it, I want you to go ahead and check this out and then click continue. And then we are all done, so we can go ahead and open it. So you have here the Phantom wallet itself, and then we're going to go ahead and click understood. Now in here, what you are going to do is head over here, and when you are going to create a new account, normally Phantom is going to create 4 different wallets for you. So yeah, again, these are default created by Phantom. So you can go ahead and basically click each one of them in order for you to start using them. Say for example Solana, which is very popular here. I can go ahead and click this one in order for me to be able to copy the address and then basically start buying here. So this is again very important. Click this one, and then yes, this is the account. Now go ahead and enter the amount here. Say for example $100. Click next. And then you have different options or third-party providers in order for you to be able to complete this transaction. So yeah, basically that is how you are going to set up a Phantom wallet here on your PC.